Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. It's Kedisar, and today I'll be filming an empty apartment tour. You guessed right, your girl got an apartment, period. So let's start at the front entrance. So this is what it looks like when you first walk in. Got the little living room. It's cute, It's a really decent size for me, given it's just me, you know? So yeah, I really like that. To the left of the door, right to the left, is this hallway, like a coat hallway, shoes, things like that with some hooks. And this is kind of like an older type of apartment. It's in a brownstone, but they have some new updates too. But I really don't mind either. There's this like built-in thing. I don't even know what you call it. Some people say buffet. Yeah, that's cute. Got several cabinets and just storage space. Don't mind all that stuff right there. And there's a little mirror right here. Here's the windows. And then this is just an overlook. Once again, that's the front door. So yeah, now we go to the farthest door. This will be my bedroom. Okay, so it's pretty small, but it's still like a decent size for just me. You know what I'm saying? Oh, my bad. I got a little closet to the left too. Nothing major. I do kind of wish there was a door here though. Not gonna hold you. But yeah, there's like a lot of shelf space up there. And then yeah, that's that. So then leaving the bedroom back into the living room. This next door leads to the kitchen. It's like a really white tile type of vibe. To the left, before you even get to the kitchen, to the left is the bathroom. Turn on the light. So straight to the left is the bathtub with some storage space. I really like this built-in thing over the toilet. They got a lot of those old-fashioned heaters, but once again, I don't mind. So yeah, I got a little, what you call this? Rack? Not a rack. You know what I'm saying. The same thing here. And we got a little medicine cabinet. Boop, boop. And of course, some storage space under the sink as well. So I don't even know if I'll need like a bathroom cart. We'll see, because I have all this space. So yeah, that's the toilet. Standing right here. So everything is like small, but for me, I think it's a perfect size. I like how they updated the shower head. Definitely appreciate that. All right, now leaving the bathroom. Straight across is the pantry. I'm gonna need a pantry rack, but it's a good amount of space in here. And one thing about the kitchen is there's a lot of cabinet space. A lot. Like, I'm not even gonna open all of them because that'll be way too much, but here's the top. Okay, Okay, here's the fridge. Okay. Just to go over the cabinet space. It's a lot. See all that? Then we got a nice counter, nice space. Got more storage areas. Got the back door. And even more storage areas, more cabinets, and more. So yeah, it's a lot for sure. It's a lot. Here goes the stove. There's no dishwasher, but once again, it doesn't really matter because it's just me. Here's a little look at the fridge. Pretty decent. And yeah, the back door just leads to, like, I wouldn't quite call it a fire escape, but just some stairs. I don't want to show y'all too much, okay? But yeah, that's my apartment. Oh my gosh, it feels so weird to even be able to say my apartment. Like wow. Boom. So there you have it, guys. That is the empty apartment tour. Quick and simple. Okay. So definitely stay tuned for my full apartment tour. You could say furnished, but like I'm keeping it very simple, very minimal. So let's say my furnished apartment tour. Stay tuned. It's coming soon. I don't want to wait a long time to get it where I want it to be because I'm trying to get comfortable. I'm trying to relax. Okay, and I just want my apartment finished. So I'm gonna be seeing y'all soon. And in the meantime, peace and love. Bye.